CES Innovation award-winning technology for 3 consecutive years. The latest product by LinkFace. Protect your ears from excess humidity. Quicker. Safer. And smarter. The world's first wearable ear care device. DearBuds SE.
Have you ever felt itchiness or discomfort from excessive humidity in your ears? Long showers, overuse of earbuds, and aquatic sports can all cause our ear humidity levels to spike uncomfortable levels. DearBuds is smart care for your ear humidity and temperature level with quicker, safer, dehumidifying features for a happier, healthier ear.
Try DearBuds today. DearBuds gathers data from inside and outside your ears, then uses light, heat, and air circulation to create airflow, getting rid of any humidity with no irritation to the ear canal. Keep your ears at their peak condition. The DearBuds app lets you see your ear humidity levels in real time. Use smart modes to automatically calculate optimal humidity levels, or use manual mode to customize your preferred level of care. There's also a button on the device to use without the app interface. CES award-winning technology, safety-focused materials, and a micro design. DearBuds is smarter and more convenient than ever. The world's first wearable ear care device, DearBuds SE.